Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I am doing like a putting all my slimes together video. So let's get started. So this first slime I'd made, it's like a brown jiggly slime and it smells like sticker doodle. I made this like a couple months ago, like last year. But yeah, and I wanted to get rid of it. But I'm doing all my slime, so So I have to come up with a new slime collection and make lots more slime. So, yeah. And this is like the biggest slime I put in there. So it's going to be all brown. Ugly color. This next one, if you hear dogs, my dogs are right next to me. Dogs DIY? Yeah. Okay. This next slime is a bad slime. It's like not even stretchy, but it's like metallic colors. But it's like copper, kind of copper. But yeah, it's ugly. Ooh, next one. Okay, this is a clear one. I don't know when I made this, and I don't remember making it. It's not that stretchy, but it's still a good slime. So, yes. Next slime is it's like a holographic slime it's like crunchy too. I put some beads in it, like lots of beads in it. So, yes. And there's like lots of glitter. I put like a whole bottle of glitter in it. And yeah. So, you probably couldn't see me playing with it because I'm using a phone to record this. Anyway, next slime is, I think it's just a boring old slime. It's kind of glossy, but like not that glossy, you know what I mean? Okay. And it used to have beads in it, but I think there's another slime. Never mind. It's just a boring green slime with no scent. Next slime is pink glossy slime. It's like kind of oily because I use baby oil to make it glossy, but I still like it. But goodbye slime. It's pink too. Yes, and it's a lot of slime. It's getting bigger, but like the whole thing's brown. And yeah, okay. This next slime is a jiggly slime. It's a orange jiggly slime, and it's scented with harvest spice, I believe. I made this with one of my friends, and yeah, we didn't make a video though, because she couldn't be on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, you probably heard my dogs. This next slime is a cloud slime. If you see like letters on it, that's just like how I sort them and stuff. It's a blue jelly slime. I think it's scented like vanilla. Yeah. So it's vanilla cloud slime. Then, yes, I think that's all my slimes. So, if you hear the sneezing, it's my dogs. And I'll be done when I mix it all. Goodbye. Some dye in this one because I didn't like the color, but it obviously didn't work. So, yes, just watch me fail with putting dye in it. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching my video. And I haven't posted in a long time, and I'm not showing my face, but because, yeah. Goodbye. I will post more, I guess. Goodbye.